Good evening, sir. I'm Prince Ed M. Derocas, and I'm here to share what I learned about your subject in tropical forests and climate change. So, English lang ni siya. So, what I learned. During my first semester, studying tropical forests and climate change, I did not expect this subject to change the way I see nature and world around me. At the beginning, I thought it would only focus on trees, forests, and scientific terms. But the weeks passed, I slowly realized that this subject is really about life, people, and our shared future in this planet. At least everything felt new and a bit overwhelming. There were many concepts to understand, but each lesson helped me how important tropical forests are in our daily lives. I began to notice that forests are not separate from humans, but they quietly support us every day, and even we do not see it. One of the most meaningful lessons I learned was about the hydrologic cycle. I learned how forests play a big role in controlling and managing water in nature. When rain falls, trees and forest soil absorb the water like sponge, and water does not rush away quickly. Instead, it slowly moves into rivers, streams, and underground water. This process helps prevent floods and reduce soil erosion, especially during heavy rains. I also learned about transpiration, a process where trees release water vapor into the air through their leaves. Before taking this class, I never imagined that trees could release into the atmosphere. I always thought that rain came from clouds. Yes. Learning this made me realize that forests help create the condition for rain. Trees are not just waiting for rain, they are part of the reason rain exists. Manang sigwa ng bilar. Another topic that really stood to me was cloud formation. Katong mga cellulose, ayan sa to. Kanang wala kay ko ka-remember sa name. Pero nakahiba ko unsay giun sa pag-form ang ilang ang uwan kato mga heat nga ang fog mahimong fog kay mudong sa lugar nga naa naigo sa kanang init. I learned that when trees release water before this moisture rises into atmosphere, as it rises, it cools down and forms clouds. These clouds later bring rainfall and support forest farms, rivers, and communities. This lesson made me realize how deeply connected land and the sky really are. So, connected ng yapon tanan sa kalibutan, no? Kasi tigtuyok na. I began to understand that when forests are destroyed, this natural process is interrupted. Fewer trees mean less moisture in the air, fewer clouds, and less rainfall. This can lead to longer dry season through and water shortage. Thinking about this made me realize how deforestation can directly affect people, especially farming and communities who depend on rain for their livelihood. So, kanang mga basakan ng mga farm nga need of water. I also learn about the global circulation system. So, mo na ang favorite nga kanang discussion katong i-discuss nimo siya kay also nindot pod siya kayo kanang presentation o pagka-discuss, which helped me understand the bigger picture of the climate. Tropical regions receive strong heat from the sun, and this heat plays a big role in moving air and moisture around Earth. Tropical forests help balance this heat by releasing moisture and influencing wind and weather patterns. Through this lesson, I realized that what happens in tropical forests does not stay in one place. The movement of air and moisture affect weather and climate in other regions of the world. This made me understand that protecting tropical forests is not only a local responsibility but a global one. What we do to forests today can affect climate patterns for beyond our, our own country. As the semester continued, we discussed climate change and its strong connection to tropical forests. Sa ato ang subject, sir, and also learn how activities like deforestation and forest degradation release large amounts of carbon into atmosphere. This increases global warming and worsens climate change. At the same time, climate change also affects forests by causing stronger storm, raising temperature, and longer. This showed me that forests and climate are deeply connected and depend on each other. When forests are damaged, climate change becomes worse. Yes, kung ma-damage ang forest, kanang mo-worse jud ang climate change. Example na lang nato kanang kung walay kay kanang kahoy kay gipotol, kanang muinit og samot nya tungod ana muinit og samot kanang may makaangin nga magbagyo. Daghan pa ana nakaangin mga butang nga makadaot sa climate change. And when climate change becomes stronger, forests also suffer. So kung mo strong ang climate change, mag-suffer po ng forest kay kana example na nato muinit ang mga lugar o sa kalugar, so mga daot po ng kahoy kundi mga sunog. Although normal man jud nang naay forest fire, pero dili na normal lang daghan kayo ang lugar nga mga sunog. Mao nang dapat jud nato nga timanon ang ato ang kanang mga kahoy o magtanom og kahoy. It is a cycle that affects not only nature but also human life. So maka-effect po ni siya sa human life kay kanang ang mga tao nagdepend man na sila sa kahoy, kay ang kahoy dako kay nagtabang sa mga tao. Usapan ni ana og climate change, dili mao ang panahon, maapektuhan ng mga tao imbis nga ang panahon kanang dili ting-uwan, mauwanan man sila, mabaha, bagyo, manam dako po kayo na nga threats ang climate change sa mga tao, mo nang dako kayo o kanang destruction pod sa mga tao. Climate change mo nang importante gyud nga mo ato manan ato ang Mother Nature. Throughout this semester, this subject helped me reflect on the role of humans in nature. It begins to question how we treat forests and natural resources. So kanang subject daghan ko na learn og unsaon nato ba treat sa nature og unsaon nato pag-avoid ang mga butang nga makadaot sa ato ang Mother Nature o kanang mga butang nga makahelp pod nato sa ato ang Mother Nature. I realized that forests are not just materials to be used or lands to be cleared. They are systems that are protect water, regulate climate, and support biodiversity and sustain life. So ang trees dili lang na siya support sa mga butang aning kalibutan nga himo na tong balay for natures, but ang pinaka-importante nga role sa kahoy is makaprotect siya sa biodiversity, sa atong life, sa atong climate change. Kay ang kahoy naghatag og oxygen, naghatag og habitat, naghatag og daghan pa nga butang nga makatabang nato ang kahoy. Uban pa kay mao na siya mao po na ang tree ang number 1 niya makatabang nga dili mag climate change bitaw or mawala ang climate change. Kay ang kahoy siya ang nagbalad sa kalibutan, mohatag og kanang paglig-on. So this learning I experienced made me more aware of my responsibility as a student and as a human being. So kanang study dili lang ni kay kanang student lang ko, niigo ra kong nag-study, nag-share, but di pa kita diri ang akong responsible as usa ka tawo nga dapat dili lang kutob sa pag-study, paglitok, kundi ato pong buhaton og unsay kanang gi-discuss nato nga kanang unsay gitudlo kanang study, magtanom o mubuhat og unsay gitudlo sa discussion. It taught me that even small action matters and that awareness is the first step forward to change. So dili lang kanang mao lang ni siya kanang ang gamay ra na siya nga action, pero mao na siya makaangin nga makahatag ka og better nga kanang life sa imuhang palibot. I learned that protecting forest not the only job of scientist or government, but something that concern everyone. So dili lang um, dili lang ang pagprotect sa forest ang nga kanang dili lang scientist o gobyerno ang protect sa forest, dapat kita pong tanan nga ma-concern po ta sa ato ang lugar. By the end of the semester, tropical forest and climate change became more than just a subject to study. It became a reminder of how connected we are to nature. So dili lang kay subject ni nako, but connected ni sa nature. So kung unsay gitudlo sa itong subject nga dapat i-sod sa mind og kanang sabton. It shows me that protecting forest means protecting water, climate, communities, and future generations. What I learned in this course will stay with me, not only a knowledge from the classroom, but as a guide to how I see to treat the natural world. This journey helped me to understand that caring for forests is also a way of caring for life on earth. So, thank you. Mara po ako nga ang ako na-learn ani is dili lang kutob lang sa pag-study, but mo care ta sa naa sa ato ang environment, sa atong mother nature, and also kanang daghan ko na-learn sa hydraulic cycle, sa katong mga water, sa cloud formation, daghan ko kung unsay way nganong uwan o kanang nganong naay fog, mao gito ang kayo nasabtan, o kato ang climate change, daghan mo nasabtan. O kanang although wala ang uban wala kayo nasabtan, but kanang naapoy daghan nga butang nga nasabtan ako about sa subject. Then study more aron daghang makatunan, o bisan pa man ni ana nga kanang dili kayo magsudsod ka sir, pero daghan gyapon mig nasabtan through your subject kay mag-study usahay man mi, usahay tug-an jud ko usahay ra. Then kanang maminaw og tarong sa imong discussion kay nindot man kamo discusser, and also kanang sundo na mo og unsay imong i-discuss. So mara po ta akong nasabtan. Thank you sir.